Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Razan Nadaya. I made this video for final assignment. I'm gonna talk about has the internet positively or negatively impact for human society. The internet has become a technological advancement that is currently very familiar with human life. The technology, whose initial development was intended for military purpose by the U.S. Department of Defense in 1969, now seems to have become a primary need for everyone. The project, which was originally called the ARPANET, or Advanced Research Project Agency Network, at the time only connected four sites, namely the Stanford Research Institute, the University of California, Santa Barbara, and the University of Utah. Along with the times, it has been able to connect millions of people on Earth. At this time, the Internet is not only limited to the military sectors. The development of the Internet has spread to various sectors of life. The fields of education, health, entertainment, and the business world are starting to enter the era of digitalization. This progress certainly has an impact on human daily life, which is increasingly practical, so that it makes the world seem to be in the grip of hand that can be explored with the touch of finger. It's undeniable that the development of increasingly sophisticated technology makes the internet closer to everyone. Various services offered by the internet, such as search engine, social media, multimedia, lifestyle to buying and selling something from online, using social media allows us to easily interact and share information in the form of text, images, and videos, find information about various things with a search engine like Google. Developers of Internet service and device, both hardware and software, also compete to provide facilities that can be used by the community. The Internet has many positive and negative impacts on various aspects of human life, especially in the aspect of human society. In my opinion, it has more negative impacts on human society. So now I will only discuss the negative impacts. In my opinion, the negative impact of the Internet on human society is like it can bring the far one getting closer to us and the near one getting away from us. It's because of many people are often too busy with their respective gadgets, which are connected to the internet. Interacting with people who are far away from us, it actually makes us less interacting with the people around us. Take a look at one of the table with a few people gathered. Counting how many people are not busy playing social media on their cell phones, often fewer. Then it's not uncommon when other people talk in front of him, we listen to him with his eyes toward the mobile phone screen, cool checking Instagram. So we become less focused. I'm sure that even people who speak become uncomfortable because they feel unnoticed. But I also disagree with this statement because, of course, it depends on individual internet users. We also hear a lot of criminal cases that occur as a result of irresponsible internet users, such as cases of kidnapping and rape of kids because they meet and interact with people whose origins are unclear via the internet. Of course, these things shouldn't happen if the user could use the internet more responsibly. Individual awareness is very important in this regard. Individuals should be able to realize that the technology is actually made for the welfare of mankind, so that life can be better and easier. From several descriptions of the negative impact of the Internet for human society which I have explained above, there are several negative impacts of the Internet that can be described our life. But the Internet doesn't always have negative impact on human society. There is also positive impact. The role of society is also important in helping use the internet positively and responsibly. We should remind each other to create positive, safe, and comfortable human interaction. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.